Microsoft, and today I will show you how to convert a QIF file to CSV format on Mac. We're gonna use QIF2CSV utility for Mac, and you can download it at propersoft.net. Once downloaded and installed, start QIF2CSV and select a QIF file. You can review transactions before converting, and you also can set CSV Target to define which column is going to be included in a CSV file. If it's regular CSV file, Excel, all columns you see or extracted from the QIF file will be included. If you select specific software CSV file like Quickbooks Online, less columns are going to be included. For example, for CSV Quickbooks Online, only date, amount, and description will be included. For Xero, only date, amount, description, reference, check number will be included. So each software creates CSV file a little differently to better fit for import. There's also clipboard option that you could just copy to clipboard and then switch to the spreadsheet software and paste it and work with it without creating CSV file. So once you chosen this CSV target, click the convert button to create CSV file. Once the CSV file created, the converter tries to open it by default software associated with your CSV file, and you can review the CSV file created before working with it. Thank you for watching.